In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header and footer in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're preparing documents for professional use or personal projects, knowing how to add headers and footers can be an invaluable skill, offering a touch of professionalism and making your files more organized. Headers and footers can display key information such as page numbers, titles, or dates, making your documents not only look more polished but also easier to navigate. To get started, open your Adobe Acrobat application and take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage. Here, you'll notice options like Create and Recent Work. If you're starting a new project or wish to open a document you've worked on recently, these options are where you'll begin. For today's task, head over to Recent Work and open the document you wish to modify. With your document ready, let's move on to the next step. You'll want to look towards the top of your screen and click on Edit. This will drop down a menu with a variety of options. From here, look for Header and Footer to proceed. This feature allows you to customize the top and bottom portions of your pages with the necessary textual information or imagery. After selecting Header and Footer, you'll see an option labeled Add. Clicking this will open a new window where you can input your desired header and footer text. Remember, headers and footers are versatile tools. You can choose to place text on either the left, the center, or the right side of your page in both the header and footer sections. Consider the effect you want to achieve. Perhaps a centered title, with page numbers aligned to the right, is what your document needs to look its best. Once you have made your choices and entered your text, it's crucial to preview the changes. This helps ensure everything appears where it should and aligns with your document's formatting style. It's these little details that make a big difference in the final presentation of your document. When you're satisfied with how your header and footer look, the final step is to click OK. This saves your changes and ensures the header and footer settings are applied uniformly across the entire document. It's always a good idea to skim through your document one last time after implementing changes, making sure everything adheres to your layout preferences and nothing was overlooked. You should now have a well-organized document that not only contains the necessary information in the header and footer, but also looks professional and clean. Remember, it's these little tweaks that can transform a basic document into something exceptional. Thank you for watching and happy editing. Happy